deal of the day at the Lowe's, and we got the Tool Barn framing and nailer. Big shout out to Dave at the Deal Team 6 and Tool Nerd. Make sure you guys check them out at the Instagrams. Tool Nerd does have an Instagram. Make sure you guys check them out, and Facebook group for Tool Nerd. Alright, so don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. Alright, so the first one is the metabo HPT 18 volt 30-degree half an inch or 3.5 cordless paper strip framing nailer. Tool only $189. I went to Lowe's yesterday and I saw this thing was really expensive, way more than that. So it is a good deal on this. So Tool Barn, apparently it's a it's a good brand. It's a good store. Let us know in the comment section if you guys shopped there before, but they had good comments. So I don't know. Let us know in the comment section if you guys think your experiences with this Tool Barn store. All right, I'm gonna move this thing because. All right, the next one down. I saw this at the Ryobi Rebels, I believe. Ryobi group at Facebook. This is a brand new hack you guys could do. This is the cordless 3-tool combo kit, camper's combo kit with work light, speaker and fan, battery, charger, and link rolling toolbox. Me personally, I use mostly Ryobi tools for stuff like this, like fans, lights, and all that stuff. Mostly for these kind of tools, because they do have a wide variety of tools and I have tons of batteries. For tools themselves like drills and all that, I hardly have any. So this is the kit's pretty good. It does include the Ryobi link, so this is a good camping little rig here that they got going on. It does include the Bluetooth speaker, a light. I do have the light and the fan. Those things don't work great. The fan's already on its way out because I used it so much. It's really like beat up and construction and all that stuff in my projects. So the light's pretty good, the fan's good, and the radio I haven't tested out the speaker. So $199, it is hackable, so you are able to select a free tool, able to cart, and then it's gonna drop down to, for this walling system thing, $26. And it's gonna drop down to $172 with that rolling toolbox. That's pretty good. All right, and the next one down. Oh, I messed it up already. Nope, not that one. All right, we got deals of the day. Deals of the day at the Lowe's, and I do apologize for switching sides like that. It's hard for me to do these videos on a cell phone here. Alright, so deals of the day. We got 20 hours left here at the Lowe's. We got some really good deals, guys. Like I said, big shout out to Turner. Make sure you guys give them a follow at the Facebook group, and he now has a Facebook group. Alright, so $100 marbles generator. I never heard about this brand. Let us know in the comment section if you guys heard about this brand. It is a dual fuel. It does have a CO detect, RV ready, carb approved, 3200 watt gasoline propane portable generator. That's pretty good because it is a dual fuel. Down to $399, guys. Not even Harbor Freight has these at $399 anymore. So yeah, $499 down to $399. All right, got some lights here. I'm not gonna go over those. Now I'll leave you guys all these links down below in the description section by this video. Of this video. It's not loading up. Okay, 20% off of Sterling utility trailer. This is a 4x8 utility trailer down to $675. That's actually pretty good comparing to all these prices that are inflation. So it's down from $847. Got 20% of all of all softeners. Not gonna go over that. So you got 40% off Cobalt 2. This is a big one, guys. This is a big one. This is what made me do this video. Big shout out to Tool Nerd. You got $17.99 for that screwdriver set. I just saw it yesterday. It was like $20. So you're getting it cheaper than the store. A few dollars cheaper in the store. Same thing with these pliers. $11.99 on those. And then you got a screwdriver set there for $11. I believe it's a 6-in-1 or something, with some bits, screwdriver, some bits for $79. The big one is this one, guys. This one's the big one. It's taking me backwards again. Yeah, this one is, I believe, 136 pieces or 135 pieces for $41. It does include a lot of sockets. Deep well sockets, regular sockets, some bits, and some L wrenches, I believe, and two ratchets, some extensions. This is a really good deal. Make sure you guys check that out on your, because that's what made me do this video. That's a really nice kit. And then you got this is a screwdriver set for $20. You got that's a ratchet with the flex head. $19, and then somebody's, all right. And then you got a screwdriver set there, 24 or $14.99, and a 3-piece plier set for $11.99. I believe that's it. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.